Now I'd like to shift gears a little bit and take you through our strategy and also take you through, let's say, some key investments that we're making across the portfolio. So what you see here to the left of the vertical line is all the process improvements that we're trying to do, again, coordinated across the portfolio. The first one is product line and platform engineering. And so this is the idea of to do diversity at scale and be able to manage configurations across software and hardware, all the way through engineering, manufacturing, service, and of course, post-market surveillance. Next is model-based definition or model-based enterprise. This is exactly what Fresenius is doing, being able to take model-based information, or PMI, and get it to the shop floor so that you can make sure that the exact information is getting to the shop floor that you need to build the product. Software-defined products. Across all industries, including med tech companies, software is becoming a much, much more important part and differentiator and enabler in your products. So we're figuring out ways to make that work across our portfolio. It's actually closely related to agile product development. So the ability to bring some software product development processes into the hardware product development process and actually coordinate between the two. The next two on the bottom, manufacturing planning and delivery and service planning and delivery, are analogous. We want to be able to do manufacturing and service engineering inside of the middle of Windchill, and then be able to deliver information like bills of materials to manufacturing and bills of materials to service, as well as service instructions to service and manufacturing instructions to the shop floor. Next, sustainability. So sustainability has become extremely, extremely important for our customers, especially when most of our customers share these characteristics. Complex products that are hard to engineer, they're difficult to manufacture, and they have something we call a long and interesting service life. And if they have a long and interesting service life, that means in engineering, you can do things to lower their carbon footprint while it's in your customer's hands, and that's a big focus of ours. Last thing on the process side is the ability to better coordinate with the supply chain. Better supply chain collaboration between, let's say, design suppliers, manufacturing suppliers, service suppliers, and the like. So those are the process areas that we're trying to improve across the portfolio. And then to the right line around modernized UX. So we have a big UI UX project going on in Windchill and in Codebeamer. Data integration into Course AI, which I'll talk about a little bit later. And then we're bringing the entire portfolio to SaaS.